Hello, fellow creatives. Let me hope we are all doing well and great. I have pinned to receive a question from one of our colleagues, that is RSB Club 134. This colleague of ours is saying that I have a Distrokid account, but Facebook and Instagram did not activate. Okay, knowing that I earn some money from Spotify, YouTube, and Apple. I have a Distrokid account, but Facebook and Instagram did not activate. Okay, knowing that I earn some money from Spotify. So this question is not a little bit clear. So maybe let me reply him by saying, I have a Distrokid account, but Facebook and Instagram did not activate, knowing that I earn some money from. So maybe was trying to like say Spotify, um, Spotify and YouTube and Apple are like showing him that he has some money, but then he's not seeing Facebook and Instagram money. I believe. Let me ask him. I did not get you properly. So you mean you see your earnings from, so you see your earnings from this, from, that is Spotify, um Spotify, YouTube, and Apple, but here not seeing those from you're not seeing those from what? You're not seeing those from Facebook and Instagram. Okay, is it the question? So let me see if he's going to like reply a little bit earlier, so that maybe I address that question. Okay, so what I can say, I made this little video. So I made this little video showing how less and less Facebook happens to pay, okay, for different what? For different streams. I would say that Facebook would be the site that pays totally less to creative people. Okay, so bear that in mind first of all. Then the other thing would be is I'm going to be sharing some content, and I happen to show you some of what I happen to earn from Facebook. Okay, so endeavor to see that you subscribe or like this channel, because that will give me courage to share a lot of content with you people. Because when like I happen to like make these videos, I was trying to show you how much I like happen to earn from that several content that I happen to upload as a creative as an artist, because it is all my music, okay, that I happen to like upload. But then I happen to realize that Facebook pays totally low. Okay, So you may find that like me, I have over, let me do not even share my whatever status. Oh, I'll okay, I'll be sharing, and I happen to show you I have over 50 million views. Okay, on one of my songs happened to make over 50 million views on Facebook and Instagram. But you find that I was paid just 197 shillings. I mean dollars. So let me show it to you here. Distro. So let me get to my bank. So let me get to my bank account and I show you something. So basically that is why I say that Facebook pays the least amount of money. Okay, so if we slope down, are you seeing this? Okay, so it is just $197.04. But if we try to go back and get to streams, how would I say it? By streams, or could I get streams without exposing too much information here? If I happen to go back to see by song, by service, by artist. So if I try to open, we are two artists here, and if I try to open, let me get this and do this. So are you seeing? So I'm having over 57 million streams, but then I happen to have less than, because this amount, there is a certain amount of $100 that happen to exist. Okay, but then if we go back to this, okay, this amount, just know, as I showed you previously, that is the amount I happen to receive. Then if we go back this side, if we go back to the back part, and in this other part I'm going to be showing you, like if I happen to show you something when it comes to see the details. So if I happen to go to see the details and I show you something, I'm going to be showing you something. So why are you not seeing? Because I'm trying to answer our colleague's question. Okay, so why are you not seeing your streams out there? Maybe your earnings are not yet reporting on Facebook. So what I can say about it is Facebook totally takes a lot of time before it exceeds, because Distrokid says that most of the platforms are on a 2 to 3 months delay, but Facebook exceeds that. Okay, if we are totally in October 2023, and I've just received earnings that are basically from December 2022. You get that how many months delay? It is almost coming to above 8 months, or even 7 months, because if it is December and we're in the 10th month, then we made that money in December. Count January, February up to this. That is basically, it has taken over 9 months to receive that money. So it means that for your earnings to come, you have to wait for another year. So you'll happen to see them, and basically they are not reflected anywhere, so you cannot see how much you earned, how many streams you got, unless otherwise you're using maybe another distribution platform that I do not use, but for now I use Distrokid, and that is how it does. So you just happen to see Facebook bringing in its money at the, like, after those months. So what I would say about this colleague of ours who asked us that question, so what I would say is you just have to be a little bit more patient with them, with Facebook, because they take too long to display your earnings. Then the other thing is they pay totally less. If you have looked at those videos that have happened to share, you've at least understood why. Okay, because everything was explained. Okay, so endeavor to see that you subscribe to this wonderful platform, and we happen to share as creative people. Always and always we shall happen to share as creative people. So please and please subscribe and stay part of this channel. I promise to bring you something every day, or if we happen to skip a day, the next day, please subscribe and comment, so I'll be grateful. Thank you for watching.